Okay, it's suddenly coming down a lot heavier. This is so crazy. Look at this. I just talked to other people that are south of me and they're getting rain. Oh, look at the buried thrush says, oh, it's cold. They're all perched up. Aw, they're all perched up there. I put some more food down closer to the house. Over here. Shit, it's already getting sand or snow on it. Yeah, you can see the little feet marks. Oh my god, I just put a bunch of seed there. But look at all these guys. They're all hanging out because they know where the food is. But this is just crazy. More fucking snow. Our 4th snowstorm in, what is this, 9 days now? 8 days now? Yeah, 8 days. 8 days, 4 snowstorms. And this is Seattle. I heard that we've had the snowiest February since 1933, which is 3 years before my dad was even born. Huh? This is crazy. This is crazy. It is.